Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on animated spoiler effects on your accounts on Telegram, easy and quick. First click on this three lines, now click settings, and now click shot settings, and click animations, and here you'll find it animations in shots, click on it, and here you will find animated spoiler effects, just click on it like this, and it will be turned on. And that's it for today. That's how to turn on animated spoiler effects easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.